Hi, this is Archana Van Gils from AVG Architecture and Interiors, Gurgaon. Today I'm going to talk about one of our residential projects located in Nirvana Country, Gurgaon. Our project Repose amplifies on the ideation of minimality and tranquility. The union of fluidity and stability exhibited through the continuous natural wood and dominant horizontal elements brings an impactful outlook of the residence. Built on a 240 square yard plot, this house is located in a row housing complex developed and constructed by a local builder. The facade and landscaping elements of the house are designed in coordination with the client's aspiration of a contemporary house. Vastu has been strictly followed throughout while designing spaces and into the orientation of every element. The form of the house is modest, with straight-line balconies on the front and the rear. This preference helps us enhance the careful composition of natural wood, steel, and glass on the facade. The front yard has an inviting granite pattern, which is used for parking as well as a sit-out during a good weather. Planters and small trees are thoughtfully planted on either side of the sit-out to facilitate a sense of privacy as well as have the glimpses of green around the house. We chose to clad the facade with natural wood instead of laminated wood to celebrate the natural aging of wood after the top coat of oil wears off naturally. Steel, on the other hand, has been used as vertical and horizontal element to bring in contemporary material sense. Clear glass railings are designed to keep the facade light and lay emphasis on the combination of natural wood and steel. Talking about the interiors, the living area has been divided by a display partition into two zones, a formal living room and an informal living lounge. Structural column coming in the family lounge has been treated and camouflaged with backlit semi-precious stone as an accent element in the interiors. The dining area has been given a minimal yet classic touch to keep the grandeur alive. Since the owners are surgeons and spend most of their time in OT, bright colors have been chosen for the kitchen to uplift their mood while cooking. Like the dining room, the master bedroom too hints of a classic yet contemporary touch with customized furniture design. The staircase area has been utilized as deep storages and sideboards. Small plant clusters are visually pleasing in this space. Bedroom wardrobes are kept minimal and colors of shutters are matched with the wall colors to make the room look visually spacious. The bathrooms are finished with Italian marble and are kept in monochromatic theme. Terrace garden has been thoughtfully designed to host parties and gatherings. Vertical gardens have been provided on the either side of the terrace for visual privacy from the neighborhood. Semi-covered pergolas are introduced to utilize the terrace during a rainy or a sunny day. A combination of polished and sandblasted granite flooring creates a balance between aesthetics and functionality. All in all, the residence cladded with natural wood and surrounded with greenery concocts a warm and homely ambience with just perfect amount of chic. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you have any design queries, please post them in the comment section below. I would be happy to personally respond to them as much as possible.